This is Team Eaglestrike, and today we are going to unboxing Turtlebot3. The robot uses Raspberry Pi. It has obviously ROS, robot operating system. I think the retail value for this kit is around $550 US, and it's small size, but it's pretty nice size robot. And thanks, it's open source hardware, open source software. Very module, has a little sensor, very cool. So for around 550 you basically got a very nice resource to develop any robot. All kinds of little things you can do with it is navigation, moving around, so on. And there you can see as turtlebot.com, its wiki page and page for more information about the Turtlebot. It's pretty extensive about all the software mechanics and so on. And there you can see features of Turtlebot3, world's most popular ROS platform, affordable cost, small size, extensibility, modular actuator, open source software, open source hardware, strong sensor lineups, and so on. There you can see the Turtlebot friends, bike, real Turtlebot, Omni, open manipulator chain, conveyor, tank, monster, courier, road train, segway, and the last Magnum. And let's look around. And Turtlebot3, as you can see, and the product name Turtlebot Burger. The country of origin is Korea, so we bought this from Korea, and manufacturer is Robotis Corporate Limited, and it's recommended age, there you can see recommended age, it is 15 plus, and the phone number and the address of the office, I think it is located in the Republic of Korea. There you can see. And this is the burger. This is what's the one I have, and it's open source, which I am big fan of. So kind of the box. So let's see. There we go. Wow, very exclusive menu. And it's, yes, and there you can see the burger quick start, and there you can see the screwdriver, rivet tool, cable, lipo battery, and so on. So this is the Turtlebot burger, and this is the laser. There you can see in different languages and many more. Well, that's it. Well, this is standard robotic cables for the battery, and there you can see the switching adapter for the battery, I think. And let's go on, guys. And there you can see the Raspberry Pi picture there. Oh yeah, that is Raspberry Pi. And there you can see USB cable, and that is and it's OpenCR, guys. And you can can see its wheel side
dynamics,
yes.
the orientation of wheel.
There you can see SanDisk, the small micro SSD. Well, let's see other tools here. And this is the screwdriver. It seems really nice. And these are, I think, PCB supporter and the battery. And I think that is the intelligent lithium balanced charger. So here you go. This is the leader, and this is the leader. And can't wait to start working on this. And this is 360 liter. You can see it spins. This is the super sweet, and $500 kit is, so the leader just gonna spin like this. So you look mapping and so on this. And I think this is gonna be USB adapter for Raspberry Pi or to OpenCR. And these are the waffle plate, guys. That is used for making layers. And in this box you can see the reverse and USB cable, adapter plate, Raspberry Pi power cable, PSP support and USB LGDS, and knots and plate support, and the wheel, and that is the adapter plate. So that's it, guys. You can see the all parts of Turtlebot3 here.
So this was our unboxing video, and thank you everyone for your time and attention. Especially thank you, Professor, for believing in us. Thank you for everything, sir.